Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to one of Turkey's most enchanting destinations, Pamukkale. Pamukkale is a place that's often described as a cotton castle due to its stunning white terraces, natural hot springs, and rich history. I'm thrilled to share with you the top 5 places you absolutely must explore when visiting this magical place. So, grab your virtual passports and let's dive in. Number 1. Our first stop on this Pamukkale adventure is the iconic Pamukkale Travertines. These mesmerizing white terraces are a natural wonder, formed by the calcium deposits from the thermal waters that flow down the mountainside. You can walk barefoot on these terraces, soaking up the mineral-rich water while taking in the breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. It's like walking on fluffy clouds. Don't forget your camera. This place is a photographer's dream. Next up, we have the ancient city of Hierapolis, which is just a stone throws away from the Pamukkale Travertines. This ancient city was founded in the 2nd century BC and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the well-preserved ruins, visit the theater, and take a dip in Cleopatra's Pool, a warm thermal pool surrounded by ancient columns and history. It's the perfect blend of relaxation and historical exploration. Speaking of Cleopatra's Pool, let's delve a bit deeper into this unique spot. Legend has it that Cleopatra herself used to swim in these healing waters. Imagine floating amidst ancient history while enjoying the soothing warmth of the thermal spring. The submerged ruins add an otherworldly charm to this pool, making it a must-visit destination within Pamukkale. To get a deeper understanding of the region's history and the fascinating artifacts unearthed in the area, make sure to visit the Pamukkale Museum. This museum houses a remarkable collection of artifacts from Hierapolis and the surrounding regions. From ancient sculptures to intricately detailed jewelry, you'll get a glimpse into the lives of those who lived here centuries ago. Last but not least, if you're looking for a more relaxed and less crowded thermal experience, head over to Karahayit Thermal Springs. These springs are known for their rusty red waters, which are believed to have healing properties. The unique color comes from the high iron content in the water. Enjoy a leisurely soak while surrounded by lush greenery and stunning mountain views. There you have it, fellow adventurers, the top 5 places to explore in Pamukkale, Turkey. From the surreal Pamukkale Travertines to the ancient wonders of Hierapolis and the relaxing thermal springs, this destination has something for everyone. Pamukkale is a true gem that seamlessly combines natural beauty, history, and relaxation. If you've been to Pamukkale or plan to visit soon, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring. Bye!